Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's talk about the power of live video. When I was out at Social Media Marketing World a few weeks ago, the major theme of that conference was live video. And everyone is talking about it. Personal brands are talking about it. Small brands, even corporations are talking about the power of live video and how can they leverage live video in their businesses to build their businesses and build their marketing power. And so I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about that. Yes. Yesterday, I did my very first live video, and I didn't announce it. I didn't put it out to my mailing list. No notification at all. I just went live. And so all of my subscribers who have notifications turned on for their subscriptions for my channel were given a notification that I was live. I thought I was going to be on for like maybe 15 or 30 minutes. I didn't know if anyone was going to show up because I had not announced it. But within just a couple minutes, people started coming into the room. And I had a ton of people in there. And instead of going 15 or 20 minutes, I went almost 2 hours. And I just made it an AMA. I just made it a, ask me anything kind of live video. And because I'd never done live video and I use Ecamm Live software, I'd never really been inside the software actually being live. And so there was a level of, my career success mantra, which is dare to suck. And I was out there daring to suck. So I practice what I preach. And I'd been meaning to go live for a long time. For like 9 months, it's been on my list of things to do. And I had just been holding back because just like anyone else, I have this level of perfectionism and not wanting to mess up and wanting to do it right. And I just thought, I got to get over myself. I just got to hit live. I'm not going to announce it. I'm just going to get in there. I'm going to do the first one and get over myself. And it was amazing. Tons of people showed up. I had a blast. It was really energetic. A lot of people asked some really great, smart questions, and I was able to engage with them on a much deeper level. So I wanted to talk to you about the power of live video and what live video can do for your businesses. And it can be used for marketing, for personal brands, for individuals, for large brands, small brands, corporations. And so why are marketers talking about it so much? What is the power of live video? There are two kinds of live video. One is recorded live and recorded and played back. Another is live streaming. And I'm going to talk mostly about live streaming today, but they both have their merits and their purpose. So what is the power of live video? The goal of any entrepreneur or brand or company is to have their customers, their followers, their subscribers know, like, and trust them. And live video creates this environment where you can see behind the scenes and get to know better the brands and the individuals that you're following. It adds this level of transparency. Everyone wants to be able to see behind the curtain of how things are made or how things happen in a company or in any kind of brand that they follow. So it adds this level of humanity to that connection. And the brand or the entrepreneur also is showing this level of vulnerability in putting themselves out there in a live context and a level of fallibility that people really respect. And of course, there's this level of fear that you're going to screw up, but you have to be willing, if you're going live or you're doing something more immediate like that, to screw up. And here's the thing, people generally, the vast majority of people don't criticize you for it. They will give you credit for trying. They will give you credit for being human. And it actually draws them closer in a deeper level of a relationship. Live video creates engagement and it creates connection. It allows people to connect with you and your brand on a much deeper level. It also fosters a level of communication. It allows you to converse with your subscribers, with your customers, with your audience, and it allows them to converse with you. Also, it really fosters and develops this level of super fans, super brand fans, super follower fans, because you're allowing them to get in behind that velvet curtain and interact with you on a more personal level, on a more human level. And it allows your audience, your followers, your customers to feel seen and to feel heard and to feel appreciated. So it goes both ways. You are allowing yourself as the brand or the person going live to be seen and to be fallible, but it also allows them to be seen and recognized for being there and being in this relationship with you and with your brand. The other thing that's really cool about it is it's very current. It's very now. It's happening absolutely right now. It's new. And it's easier and faster than doing edited videos. And so, therefore, people expect a little bit of roughness, a little bit of flub-ups. And it's exciting. It's exciting to do when you're doing live video. It's also really exciting to watch because you never really know exactly what's going to happen. And there's this energy in the interaction of the community as it's going on. When I was out at Social Media Marketing World, the keynote speech was all about live video. And the speaker gave this challenge to the audience and said, you know, it is about live video. It's going to be very important for your brand. You have to make that leap. And he challenged the audience to go out and as soon as they left the auditorium to pick up their phone and to go on Instagram and to just go live for a few minutes to just get over that hurdle of doing it. And so I did. When I left that conference, I picked up the phone, I went live on Instagram. It was the first live that I ever did, not my first YouTube live, obviously. But so I'm going to challenge you to do that too, just as an experiment, just to get over that fear factor. Pick up your phone as soon as you turn off this video and just go live on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or whatever your platform is, just for a few minutes. Try it out. You know, dare to suck. Make that leap because it can really mean something for your business and you'll learn and you'll grow because of it. So I hope you like this video on live video, and if you did, please hit subscribe below and make sure to hit that notifications bell because that way you'll get notified when I go live. But more importantly, go to my website, philipvandusen.com/muse, M-U-S-E, and sign up for my newsletter. It comes out every 2 weeks. But I'm going to be announcing my future live videos in advance through my mailing list. So if you're not on my mailing list and you don't have notifications set up, you're not going to know when I go live. So please do that. I love to see you in the chat box when I go live next. And with that, thanks again for watching, and bye for now.